Hello everyone, I am Matsuyoshi. Thank you for watching my video. Today I am going to wire this 4-year black pine seedling to make mini bonsai. This is the very first step of making a mini bonsai, to make just first styling. Okay, first of all we have to do this thing. Alright, sorry, the camera is down. First, you take it from the pot and take off these soils over the roots. These seedlings, normally the roots is hiding inside, and over the roots it's only soil and there's no root. If you wire to this without taking off and style, hold on, here, can you see? From here to here there's no roots. Roots are coming from here, this place, and it goes straight and it's covered with soil. If you wire this without taking off the soil and you bend it right here, from here this part will be straight, and from here it's going to bend to make a curve. So it will be something strange because it's straight and then hardly bend, and then you can't make a bonsai style in the future. So you have to take out these soils first and ripple to the same pot, then you can style it. Okay. This is very important thing because most of the soils just put it in the pots like this, because you can't make this roots, the top of it, the root seedling will fall down without the roots. So mostly you have to do this. So check it out. Okay, now I go to like this. You can see roots here, right here. That's ready to style the seedling. Oh, this is a 4-year seedling that I planted. I make this from a seed. If you have a seed, you can do this, but it takes 4 years. Yes, of course. Okay, then let's roll it. I'm using a 1.8 millimeter aluminum wire. This 1.8 millimeter aluminum wire. And put in the soil until it's going to the bottom, and roll once the very bottom place of the trunk, and roll to the trunk in the same pitch, like this. Okay. And be careful not to damage the leaves and buds. Roll it gently. You can take time. No rush. If you roll the leaves with wires, and those leaves will turn the color to the brown and will be dead, and it's not good for the tree. So be careful not to roll with wires. Okay, this one. Okay, let's go to pen. I am rolling like this circle this circle. It's a right circle. Yes, right circle. So I bend the same side, bend the tree the same side, like this. This is a young tree, so you can bend as much as you can. There's no afraid, because it won't break. Don't worry. Roll it. Can you see it? Okay. And cut the unnecessary borders. Finished. Okay, then finished. It's done. After this, put it to the shelf again and water every day. And when the tree grows, these trunks will be thicker and wire will be penetrate. So before wire penetrates, you have to take it off, and after that you wire again to make a shape again. And can you see that this place there's a buds here, so maybe those buds will grow and make a branch with this, or I might change my mind, but and make I might cut right here and make a smaller one. I guess I don't know that I didn't know, but this is the how to do the wiring to the 4 ears seedling back pine. So thank you for watching. If you like it, subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Thank you.